There is a new wave of opportunity moving quietly across the internet. It is fast, powerful, and unlike anything most people have ever seen before. It does not require coding. It does not require design skills. It does not even require experience. You can literally start with 0 followers, 0 money, and 0 knowledge, and still create something that pays you while you sleep. The tool behind this quiet revolution? Sora 2. Now, before you think this is just another AI get-rich-quick fantasy, hold on, because what you are about to learn is real, and it is something people are already using to turn ideas into cash, all while putting in minimal effort. If you are looking for the laziest way to make money online using Sora 2, this might just be the script that changes how you see money forever. But before we dive deeper, if you love discovering new, smart, and simple ways to make passive income, make sure to subscribe to our channel, where we share the smartest, modern ways to earn and grow without burning out. Alright, let's break it down. Understanding what Sora 2 really is. If you have not heard of Sora 2, imagine this. A tool so advanced that you can type a few words and it generates an entire video. Visuals, scenes, camera angles, lighting, and motion automatically, in seconds. No video editing, no voice acting, no animation skills. That is what makes it revolutionary. Sora 2, developed by OpenAI, is an upgraded version of the original text-to-video model. It can take your written ideas and turn them into high-quality, cinematic footage. For creators, this means one thing: speed. And in the online world, speed is money. The laziest way to make money with Sora 2 is to let the AI do 90% of the work while you control the 10% that actually matters: the idea and the distribution. Let me explain how. The Lazy Money Blueprint. You do not need to be an influencer, a filmmaker, or a marketing expert. You just need to understand leverage, letting tools do the heavy lifting while you profit from the output. Here is how lazy money with Sora 2 actually works. Step 1. Pick a niche that pays. Sora 2 can make videos on anything. But if you want to make money, focus on niches that already have monetization opportunities. Think of finance and investing, health and fitness, tech tutorials, motivation and productivity, relationships and psychology. Why these? Because they are topics advertisers already pay to appear on. Meaning, when your video hits views, you get ad money faster. Step 2. Use Sora 2 to generate videos. You type a short script, something like, "A man walks through a dark city alley," while narrating how he turned his biggest failure into a 7-figure business. Within moments, Sora 2 will turn that into a full cinematic video. That alone is wild. You can then overlay your voice or use free AI voice tools to narrate it. The process that used to take creators 10 hours can now take 10 minutes. Step 3. Upload to platforms that pay you. Here is where the lazy part kicks in. You can post your videos on YouTube, Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even Facebook. These platforms pay for engagement. Some pay through ad revenue, some through creator bonuses. You are not selling anything. You are not convincing anyone. You are just using AI-generated creativity to pull views and letting algorithms do their job. Once one of your videos goes viral, the snowball starts rolling, turning one video into an empire. Now, this is where most people stop. They make one video, get a few views, and move on. But if you want to turn this lazy idea into real income, you need to multiply the effect. Let's say your first video is about how a man went from broke to millionaire in 2 years. That single video might bring in $50 or $100, depending on where you post. Now, if you automate the process 1 video a day for 30 days, you have 30 chances to go viral. Even if only 2 or 3 take off, you could be looking at thousands in monthly revenue with almost no manual work. And the beauty of Sora 2 is that every video can have a different look, different world, different mood. You can make realistic footage, animations, futuristic scenes, or documentary-style stories, all with text. That's why this isn't just lazy. It's scalable. You can literally run a 1-person production studio without touching a camera or editing software. The zero to income plan. Let's make it practical. You are starting from 0. No following, no capital. Here's your simple roadmap. Week 1, build your concept. Choose your niche, something you can talk about easily. For example, if you love motivation, focus on personal growth stories. If you like money topics, focus on simple financial advice. Write 5 short 100-word scripts. Each should be an emotional or powerful message. Example: the truth is, nobody cares about your excuses. Success is built in silence and shown in results. Week 2, generate videos using Sora 2. Feed those scripts into Sora 2. Adjust scenes slightly until it looks right. Use a free AI voice for narration. Add simple background music using online tools. Week 3, upload daily. Post one video every day across multiple platforms. Use trending hashtags and short emotional titles like "The Harsh Truth About Success" or "He Quit His Job and Never Looked Back." Week 4. Analyze what hits. Watch which topics get more engagement. Double down on those. If your finance videos get views, make 10 more. If your motivation clips go viral, keep them coming. Consistency is what turns lazy effort into real income. And the best part, the more videos you make, the less effort you spend. Because now Sora 2 does everything, you just tweak prompts. Hidden ways to make money with Sora 2. Here is where things get exciting. Beyond just posting on social media, Sora 2 can make you money in several lazy but clever ways. 1. Sell videos to businesses. Small brands always need content ads, explainer clips, or social media posts. You can offer to make videos for them using Sora 2. They pay you. You let AI do the work, and you deliver within hours. 2. Create faceless YouTube channels. Instead of showing your face, make thematic channels AI motivation, AI nature stories, or AI science facts. You post Sora 2 generated clips with voiceovers and earn through YouTube ads. 3. Sell digital products with AI ads. Make short, cinematic Sora 2 ads for your ebook, course, or product. No need for actors or filming. You can even rent out your AI ad-making service to other creators. 4. Offer Sora 2 content on freelance sites. You can post gigs like, "I will create stunning AI-generated videos from your idea." People on Fiverr or Upwork will pay for that. It's easy, fast, and repeatable. 5. Build theme-based TikTok pages. Create channels around one concept, for example, AI history moments. Use Sora 2 to recreate events like the first man landing on the moon or the fall of ancient Rome. These get millions of views fast. You can then monetize them through sponsorships. The real secret: systemize everything. The difference between lazy people who stay broke and lazy people who get rich is systems. If you can create a small system that repeats itself, you can make money even when you sleep. Here's what a Sora 2 system looks like. One document where you keep all your short scripts. A Sora 2 prompt template to turn text into video. A daily upload schedule. A tracker to see what works best. Once you build that, your job is no longer to work, it is to supervise. You can literally make your morning coffee, type one idea, and by lunch, have 3 ready-to-post videos sitting in your folder. No filming, no editing, no burnout. The lazy mindset that actually wins. Most people fail online because they overthink. They want the perfect camera, the perfect idea, or the perfect timing. But money online does not reward perfection. It rewards consistency. If you show up every day and keep feeding Sora 2 ideas, you will eventually create something that hits the algorithm just right. Think of it this way. You are planting seeds. Some will grow slow, some will explode overnight, but you cannot grow anything if you never plant. And since Sora 2 makes creating effortless, you have no excuse not to start. How to make it even more passive. Once your videos start gaining traction, automate further. You can. Use AI to schedule posts. Use templates for your voiceovers. Reuse popular clips with new subtitles or narration. You are basically creating an AI-powered money loop where one tool creates, another posts, and you collect. Lazy? Yes. Smart? Absolutely. The future of lazy money. We are standing at the edge of something massive, just like how people who used YouTube early became millionaires. Those who used Sora too early are stepping into the next digital gold rush. The key is to act before everyone else does, because right now, few people truly understand what Sora 2 can do. That gives you a short window, a chance to dominate before the market gets crowded. If you can learn to write simple, catchy prompts and understand what people want to watch, you have the power to create a business that works even while you are sleeping. That's not fantasy. That's just smart laziness. So here's the truth. Lazy does not mean careless. It means finding the easiest, most efficient path to reach your goal. And with Sora 2, that path has never been clearer. You can start from nothing today, just your ideas, your laptop, and your will to begin and build something that pays you daily. No stress, no burnout, no boss. If you are ready to build your lazy money system with Sora 2, the time is now. And before you go, remember, every big success story begins with one small, lazy decision to start. If you found this helpful and want more powerful, easy-to-follow strategies for earning smarter, not harder, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, your shortcut to a smarter, wealthier, and freer life.